May pag-asa.
Of course, may pag-asa somewhere out there. And
Bukang ka na.
say that for you. Pero it came from Dear Evan Hansen and
And Hamilton.
Hamilton. That's right. And I
And
really
Manuel
know
and Ben.
Yes, sir. This song really hits hard, maybe even harder now with all the uncertainty happening all around the world. And we truly, truly appreciate you spending your time here with us. Thank you very
I
much.
think you all deserve a round of applause. Thank you so
Maraming
much.
salamat po.
And we promise na sulit ang gabi ito para sa inyo.
Yeah, yun pa lang yung opening pa lang yun.
Because we're going to give it our all tonight para once and for all malaman na kung sino ang better artista.
Ganyan pala. Babalik
From
natin
Cavite or
doon.
from Cagayan de Oro.
Babalik natin doon. Nagustuhan niyo ba yung Broadway battle namin? Okay naman. Ito yung theater namin. Ganda ng theater, no? Gusto ko lang ipaalala na ako naman talaga ang unang nag-theater.
Ama, totoo po yan. Kaya nga ako na-intimidate sa iyo nung una kitang nakilala kasi alam ko, theater kid ka.
Yeah.
Tapos nag-English ka.
I know.
Tapos sabi ko, suplado to. Di ba? Nag-English suplado agad.
Well,
yabang yun.
nung first time na na-meet kita, nung Sarah Mark days,
Ganun.
Team Princess
Pupunta
days.
tayo doon.
Oo, babalik tayo ng 20 years ago. Parang grabe nakaka-intimidate to, Sarah Mark.
Buti naman.
Well, ginamit ko yung intimidation yun to be better. Pero, okay, nag-theater tayo. Try naman natin, okay.
OPM.
Okay tayo. Okay, let's do this. Alright.